Kananto livukuvuku eli.
I'm sorry to ambush you guys. Now I got around asking couples questions.
Yes.
Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Would you be okay with a couple of questions?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
My brother is not okay. Wait a minute.
These are 10 questions
minute.
Yes.
Yes.
How long have you been
Sing
together?
five
What's his
shit. My
favorite
brother's
color?
not
Do you cook
doing
for him?
five
Just
shit. Let's be
simple
honest.
couple questions.
6 months.
I was giving you an example, Lovey. I haven't asked yet. Are you okay with those type of questions?
Yeah.
Okay, come closer. I want you guys this side for me. Right. Thank you. Thank you. On my right, son.
Okay.
Okay, name?
Uzianda.
Zianda and?
Tulani.
Tulani, how long have you been with Uzianda?
6 years.
6 years.
Yes. I mean 6 months, ne?
Ha! How could you misinterpret such, dog? 6 years or 6 months?
Oh, that would
How
have
could you
been
be
lovely.
like, clearly, dog? I don't know how his mind is processing. Nobody ever makes that mistake. 6 years to 6 months. Downgrading guy.
I was like, are you guys married? You guys, okay.
No.
Okay, 6 months.
Yes.
Okay, where did you meet you?
A mall.
A mall.
The Glen Mall, yeah.
Okay. How did he approach you? Do you remember, Z?
Wow. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula sasikuma escalator.
You, were you in there first?
Andela.
Oh, he followed you in.
Yes.
Tulani, what did you say?
Phela mina ngixakiwe sidaqala ndangena discam ayiboni ngixakwe ngilobhuti ondilandelayo. Xa nikhwela kuma escalators ayibona ngemva kwam.
You didn't panic,
Hayi, but ndandisoyika ndiqoma ngathi uzawundibamba inkunzi lo. Endaba
Yeah.
esikhela ke ngoku endicela uba mandime ndema sancokola ke ngoku.
And the rest was history. And that was it.
Yeah.
Okay. Tulani, did you make it official same day? Did you ask her to be your woman same day?
Yeah.
Okanya, you guys went through a talking phase first.
By that time, but that day kwaba nokuthi nje no sikhulumenyana nje sakhuluma ndawe sakhuluma ngakhona. Wasenginikeza ama contact numbers ukuthi no, let's talk over the phone. So sakhuluma sijika.
Wona jika udlala hard to get here.
Yeah, look at jika.
Uzi.
And ngagcina sethi Tulani ngiyakuthanda. Kwase kuba kanjalo.
Oh, wena umchama for eza vek.
Sendana the nice pictures. Walokhu azibuka sibheka.
Umbonisa ba ungumjito.
Nice pictures he was sending this guy.
Umjito right. Exactly.
Okay, atlalia. Uvuvile zi.
Wathi ufuna ungikhupha for ikota.
Oh, ikata. So if first date yona ikata.
Saye emakoteni.
Why ivumanyane zi?
Ewe kaloku ngiqomba nami ngithathekile kaloku.
Yes, itype yakho.
Ewe.
Okay, no, I understand. But upgraded from ikota Tulani noko 6 months ngoku.
Ngangifuna nje ukumkhombisa
That's
ukuthi
a bad influence, my sister. Leave the relationship alone. If the charming quarters in that relationship, let it be, dog. Don't bring your bougie ass into that relationship.
ngifuna ukumcheck ukuthi umuntu othanda izinto or not. So uthe mayethanda igoda ngathi okay, hambe siyegoda.
Tulani bekuzothini bethatha.
Bayeke namakota. Leave them with their quarter relationship.
Uziyanda. Bambethe bandona ndifuna
Bengizabona ukuba ngumntwana othanda izinto ezimnandi. Ezimnandi kodwa nje ngathi hayi no. Usifunela igoda ngoba ngumntwana waseKasi ne. Ngathi no, it's fine. Ithi ngumpi igoda.
Okay. Okay, what is it that you like about her?
Come again?
What is it that you like about her?
Ish. Kuningi engakuthanda nje kuye kuningi.
Yeah. Ndakubona ujonga umzimba nomzimba.
Exactly, ibody nokukhuluma kwakhe respective nokumnandi.
Yeah.
Is all that thing that was making me to love her.
Okay. Z, what is it that you like about her?
Romantic, uyakhathala, akho nto ndiyidingayo.
Akho nto idingayo Z. Hayi ndayithanda loo nto. Umthembile ke ngoku.
Kakhulu.
On a scale of 1 to 10 rate.
Beka pha ku-9 man.
9 out of 10?
Yes.
Tulani, do you trust her?
Hey, I trust her.
Okay.
Trust her.
You know, he's saying, hey, I trust her. He's saying yes, but his body's saying no. I don't trust her, boy. Literally.
On a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, now she gave you 9.
You. Me, I give her. I don't know how can I say it that way. I love this guy. I
This
don't
guy,
know.
hi, my brother. Wait, we're talking about a girl here.
What can I say?
Hayi,
Talking about a
ndiyakuva.
girl here.
Sondela Z, come closer. Do you guys trust each other?
Yes.
Ndiyamthemba.
Uyamthemba?
Kakhulu futhi.
Okay. Didn't I ask that already? That's when I'm rate on a scale of 1 to 10. Sorry, guys. You know what? What we do on this show, ne? We make couples switch phones.
Yeah, bro.
We are testing your loyalty. Right? Would you guys be okay with that?
Yes.
Right, no.
No to lie, no to right, to tools, to right, now right? Okay, so ngale ngefoni kabani ke?
Siyaqala nangeyami.
Okay, my
Okay.
sister looks confident. We keep a telephone. Let's highlight that. She
Vula
looks
ke phone,
confident. I'll
tools,
call
can
my
I have
PC.
your phone? Hey, nivume quick man. Tending on sokolis. Tools, go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type you.
Okay.
Okay. Ndibona wena mnapha at the top.
Yes.
Nguwe Mosnelo?
Yes.
Okay. I don't see. Do you see anything dodgy? I don't see anything weird.
Awa, Pexisa, ungadlali
Akho
ngekhefu.
nto ne?
Yes. Nothing.
Okay. Delete that. Type miss you.
Yes.
Okay, what do you see, tools?
Nothing I see.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
No man. No man. Look at him laughing at that elder. He said nothing I see. This guy is laughing. Bodyguard is just laughing at that English.
Tools.
Relax, boy. It's not that deep.
Nothing I see.
Okay, delete that.
Okay.
It's not that deep,
Type
boy.
babe.
He's trying
Yes.
to get away with laughing, dog. Nah, boy.
Andiboni into mna mos dodge.
Nothing.
Okay, delete. Type outside. We're just checking who's fetching your woman.
Okay.
Shake, my sister. Let's see you shake.
Yes.
Let's see you shake.
Okay, what do you see?
Nothing.
I know
Okay,
where she's
delete
this
that.
confident, dog.
Yes.
Type thank you.
Dear Bonga, who are you saying thank you to?
Yes.
I know
Almost
my
gone.
sister's not budging.
Yes.
I can't lie. She should be jumping
Nothing.
up and
Okay,
down. right now,
delete.
still.
Type ngiyabonga.
Come on, my sister. Come on, my sister.
Yes.
You again.
Or maybe she'll
Okay,
budge
delete.
once we find something on her phone.
Type pregnant. What's this one?
She said pregnant. Look at her swallowing that spit, boy.
Pregnant. What's this one? Yes.
Okay, we might something there.
Yes.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Hey, I typed into me.
Ah, one more.
How many is it? Okay.
Type palapo.
Nothing.
Okay, delete that. Type last night.
So let's see.
Yes.
Hey, it's not clean.
Ah, one more.
Okay, delete.
Okay, now go. We saw that shake. She's shaking.
Type test.
Type shit.
Delete that.
Type shit.
Type last night.
Ah, what last night? Who was she with last night, dog? But the
Yes.
confidence, dog, you know.
Hey, it's not clean. Okay, delete. Type test.
She shaked. She shaked. She shaked. We all saw her shaking right now. She shaked.
At least you guys are responsible. Akekho omnye umuntu must go wedwa again. Okay, delete that.
Then let's up on Facebook.
Clumsy kanene. Siqobile ne?
No,
Thank-
spell Facebook.
Thank you.
Don't you all agree?
Thank you, my scats.
How's
Hayi
chicken
ke yayibona
up
intombi
there?
yakho tools. Trustworthy. Yothela uzosiphoxa.
I don't think ukuthi ngizosiphola.
Okay, vula. Vula.
Should they both loyal, dog?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Loyal, pe.
Zifi faka ifoni empokothweni ungayibisi. Do is WhatsApp ne?
We just arrived
Okay,
on
type
WhatsApp.
love you.
Okay, cool. I love you.
That's you, ne? Okay, delete.
Show my
Type
brother, though.
Tanda.
Why is he laughing? Wait. This guy's like, they're checking his phone and he's like, hey.
That's you
Oh.
again. Hey, I said okay, delete. Does he type a lot in English or Zulu?
Msulu.
Okay, delete. Type Khumbula.
Khumbule. Yabona.
Hey, Aisana Z. That's you, ne? At the top there, but
Yeah.
okay. You don't see anything else weird. That's weird. Okay, delete that. Type Mama.
Umzulu shela ngumama. They bayazi man. They're onto us. They found us.
Eh?
They found us.
Asindimi.
Go to the
Ashina manje, they caught you. Look at him. Look at him and look at his
go
face.
into the chat.
Woman.
Tools. Sibona izinto up.
Kubani abongile?
Cousin wa.
Umbiza mama cousin wakho.
Kunokwenzeka nje sibizane la wesibizana ngakhona.
Cousin wakho umbize mama.
Yeah, kuyenzeka.
Nini? Animazi mina lo cousin wakho ngiabongile mina.
Yakufanele ungamazi because akatali.
Khona into oyifisa kum. Akho muntu wakokwenu mose ngamazi.
Lona akahlali ekhaya uhlala le eThekwini.
eThekwini ndiyabazi abantu bakokwenu baseThekwini.
Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ngeke ubazi bonke.
Ngeke ndibazi bonke 6 months.
6 months, Ifele. And you was born. Is she delusional? She thinks she can just sense all of the family members. Hold on, dog.
Hlala nawe.
So ukhe wayovisit eThekwini.
Ebendile phangijuni.
Okay.
Yawuqinisile ubeyile. Kodwa akababonanga bonke kwaba yilabo nalabo babakhona lona omunye akazambona.
Andikaze ndeva ngoabongile kalo. Kanjani bakube nguye yedwa engamazi?
Kuyenzakala ukuthi
Cousin yakho kanjani ngoba abantwana baka sister bakho nawo brother bakho ndibazi bonke.
Yo.
Yesu yabazi bonke mara lo wayenge.
Cela simfone.
Ufuna umfonela.
Ndifuna umfonela.
Hayi bozi. Yenza into show nje
Ndifuna ukumfonela.
Clams. Asizenzi ke izinto zofona. But
Cela simfonela. Ndihleli mina kanti ndisisi.
What is she doing, dog?
siyafuna ke zi.
Sikesiboneke, she know the tension is high.
Tools xa simfonela uabongile is she gonna say the same thing?
Yeah.
Bangu cousin, ngumzali.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother.
Ayintsakela.
If my brother's cheating, he has to
Yintsakala.
stop this call. Let's be honest. If he's cheating, he has to stop the call, dog. Avelathi, I mhlawumbe ufuna iphukile or something. Make up something, brother. Come on.
Ngiyazenza izinto.
Oh no, earring, guys. It's ringing. Angaphenduli.
Hey
bhuti.
uabongile angasenzeli lonto.
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Abongile?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Abongile?
Yebo.
He just shared a young play. He's only angry.
Hi, am I speaking?
Oh no, boy.
Yebo.
As you ask him if he knows truth.
Abongile unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ndiyaphila nami. Yamazi uthulani?
Ngiyasifisa
Uyinothulani?
i-boyfriend yami uthula
Yo.
infethu.
Boyfriend yani iqale nini? Qani boyfriend yakho uqale nini?
Yo.
Yo sisi, imbuzo engaka kodwa ke
Ndiyabuza kaloku nina unyaka niwuthatha kunyaka ngoba mina ne6 months yonke noabongile angikaze ndabona nix.
Yena lokho akungifaki kahle kahle khuluma.
Akukufaki ngoba ubhizi naye. Ubhizi naye.
Why is the side chick fighting to be the main right now?
Inkinga indoda yami nje.
Indoda yakho ithatha phi wamba uthatha amadoda abantu wena?
Uba nosisi indoda.
Hayi man sundiqhayela wena phendula. Indoda yakho ithatha phi?
Awukhulume noabu nendoda yakho lapho uthula.
Ndifuna ukukhuluma ungandithumeli komnye umuntu ndifonele wena ndithetha nawe.
Hayibo
Ufuna
ntombazana.
nike sisi ngikusiza ngani?
Niyathandana udlala ngawe ke ndiyakuxelela. Niyohlukana ngoku ngoba ngeke ndihlukane nendoda yami ngenxa yakho mina.
And uziyanda udibene
She's passing the side chick terms now.
nefamily kaTools. Udibene wena nefamily
And
kaTools.
ke ngokwesaphika cousin wakhe. Kodwa usazixelela into yobana ungumuntu wakhe. Awuyazibhanqa sisi. Awuyazenza unqathu. Hlukana namadoda abantu.
Hayi ke sisi, khuluma nendoda yakho.
Ndithi hlukana naye ndibe ndiyaqabela usuthetha nawe namhlanje ngoku ngalomzuzu.
Okay.
Okay, uzawuthi ipapa yifafa ke mntanami.
Hayi nankinga
Ndiyakuxelela ke.
Uphole.
Ndiphole ntoni?
Telling her to heal though. She's right. You gotta heal though. You gotta heal. You the side chick here. You gotta heal.
Ephola nguwe. Andive kwa igama lakho.
Besaphi shame.
Thetha naye ngoku. Umxelele uba iphelile.
And the way he's collecting the phone, that's got his hands.
Yebo.
Yebo.
Ukuxolisa ngicela
Uxolisani.
ngicela ukuxolisa ukukubiza ngokhazini kanti bezizwana.
Oh.
Ngixolisa kakhulu.
Xolisa ntoni ke?
Ukukubiza ngokhazini kanti sengibanjiwe mina. Ngixolisa kakhulu.
Ngokuba kuphelile.
Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
Udulahle nini lathulani?
Isa zonke ezimpahla ndikwenzela yonke into.
Ngangigcine Nkosi yami ngithi ngizama ukufihla uyabona ukutshela kodwa ngangitshela ukuthi kukhona umuntu engenayo.
Akasebenza ukubheja ngemali yami.
Manje
Qhubeka nomuntu.
Uxelele uba
Betha ngemali yakho.
ukubheja ngemali yami.
Inamba yami kusengifonele.
Ukuxelela ukubheja ngemali yami. Uxelele. Sebenzisa esi.
Supporta ngemali omunye.
Isikoli esi.
Sala uyakusupport. At the end of the day, uyakusupport.
ngiyaqolisa kakhulu ukukutshela no bamba lo mama wakwami so ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
So uyamlahla Tools.
Hayi ngiyamlahla.
Uvile ke aboshwe.
Ulahla bani? Ulahla mina noma yena?
Ngilahla wena.
Hawu.
Oh Nkosi yami. Akunankinga kulungile ke hamba ke nalowo muntu wakho loyo ngoba ulandela imali phela vele ngizothini. Anginamali phela mina.
Yo now fine.
Khale khama sencukuthi na.
So ulandela imali okanye ulandela umuntu omthandayo Tools?
Ngilandela umuntu
Funa namhlanje
Uyamthanda uZiyanda.
leyo na ndiyayifuna apha uyibeke apha.
But Ziyanda uyahlala nje na.
Ngiyakufundisa nangoku ezizihlangu. Unxibe mna nje lapha.
But uthi uyahlala nje.
Akananto livukuvuku eli.
Ziyanda uthi uyahlala na ufuna umkhululisa.
Ewe makahlale na.
Angahlala no abo.
Ashisa zonke uzawunxiba la maraka underpant zakhe.
Ehamba nawo.
Bezena ewe.
Unawe nje na.
Uright. Uzawuhlala njalo. Anitho bambona ngoku ngoba unxibe leather jacket neabita. Sithengele ndim ndonke lo. Ndingamkhululisa ngoku.
So Ziyima
To actually Aibo.
Khululisa ngoku.
Aibo. My sister in the street.
Khululisa. Khulula.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda
You can't be aggressing him on the street, bro.
Akusabandi Ziyanda ntombi kuyabanda Ziyanda.
Bana, my brother, you need to work harder. Women cannot be undressing you on the streets just because they bought you the clothes. No, boy. You need to work harder. too.
Abantwana bami begranti le. Awusebenzi nokusenza.
Damn.
Phela kakubi wena.
Xolo man Ziyanda yini kuyabanda lobanda man.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami yakho.
Uyava Tools?
Faka amanzi atshisayo ubuyeli kwami.
Ngixolisa sithanda sami.
Ubuyeli wena kwami.
Ziyanda ulahlisa omnye umntwana uthi akabuyele njani kwakho?
Kasoza kana nendawo yolala lapha nje.
Melalaphi before you guys dated?
Andimazi.
Ulalaphi Tools before you dated?
Phila ngamankazana le nto le.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami.
Amankazana.
Ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami. Ngixolisa kakhulu. Ngumalile lo muntu phambi kwakho.
Ile umalele nto. Nawuphinda ndidibane mos.
Ndabona njibani?
Ngeke sadibana.
Nawuphinda ndidibane.
Yima okay Tools buchitelani kha explain buchitelani. Binguziyanda side chick.
Kwenzeka nje mistake Nkosi yami kwenzeka mistake ngoba waqhamuka ehamba ngemonto enhle wangithama ngayo.
What? Just because she was driving a nice car, she charmed you and then she took you. You ended up cheating just because she has a nice car. Does she drive a Polo then? Tell us. Is she driving a Polo?
Yona nto enza lokho.
But wambone mall njena so wambone mall njena which is imoto ibone after mall.
Yes, kodwa nje ngiyaxolisa kakhulu.
Getting picked up.
Kukho konke ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Ngumlimi ngiza nawe Ziyanda.
Hayi Ziyanda stop being violent.
Ngiyaxolisa. Yawu ngiyaxolisa Ziyanda please ngiyaxolisa.
Okay so Tools iyahlala.
Ngiyahlala naye ngiyamthembisa ukuthi ngeke ngisaphinde ngiyenze lento.
Ziyanda GPV Ziyanda sondela.
Jele.
Ziyanda
Imali zami endizichithileyo sisi kulomuntu.
sorry man Ziyanda.
Imali zami endizichithileyo kulomuntu.
This guy's a pimp.
But
yo.
kaloku
One bag is-
uzichithe
Look your smile. He's just rubbing his hands. This is chilling. Look your smile at him, cheetah.
imali kumuntu omthandayo nje na.
Wena wenza ntoni namhlanje?
Uyachita.
Yintoni la ndibonise yona namhlanje?
Amanyuru.
Tsho ukuthi belala hey.
Ziyanda. No.
Isa. Sundiphambanisa.
Hayibo, she's getting undressed.
Sundiphambanisa.
Getting undressed.
Sundiphambanisa.
Zi.
Yabana.
Phone zakho zohlala.
Ndizayibulala mina. Andihambi ndiyambulala qha.
You? But isicela uhambe. Do you have transport? Do you need transport?
I need it.
Wait up, brother. You need to work harder, boy. Mjolo is not for you. Mjolo is not for this brother. I'm telling you, boy. First of all, you almost got undressed by a female.
Do you have
just because he's
transport?
wearing
Do you
the
need
female's
transport?
clothes. Literally, the female bought him the clothes, dog. The next thing they're breaking up, he needs transport. Work harder. Mjolo is not for you, boy. Mikey.
Ish.
It's not
I
for
need
you,
it.
Ube.
Uba
So uba nokuzi.
uyaphi?
So zi awuzohlala.
Uba uyaphi?
Yo.
Uyagoduka.
Oh.
Going to
Uzogoduka.
her place, too.
Akanditest.
Okay.
Ngizame.
Okay, zi. Sixolo
Ngizame.
sithanda, calm down.
Oh, kuyahleka imnandi. Imnandi.
Yanyumbaza ndiyakuthathela lapha kanti uyanyumba.
He's a player, this boy.
Ndiyakuthathela lapha kanti uyahleka.
Angiseki Ziyanda, angiseki. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Ngimalile lo muntu phambi kwakho. So nje lapha engizohamba ngekhona.
Ndenza isibanqa. Ngizawudibana futhi.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Bese ndisibuza uqaleni
Ngeke set.
Bezolobola njani?
Ngiyaxolisa.
Idibene phi naye?
Sidibane elokhojana
Elokhunjani?
kwenye Shoprite lapha.
Thena umthayela igrocery. Ngilambile imali yami.
Awumthengele.
Kaloku that was a year ago. Zi, you met this guy 6 months ago.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Iyego yena.
1 year ago.
Hlala lapha engabonakali 3 days.
Yimathuzi since ungasebenzi uzamlobola.
Hi, my sister, come down.
Ayibengeke ngimenzele nix kuba nangu umuntu ongenzela
She's even
everything.
trying this girl pose. Who does she think she is, dog? She's just putting up like this now. Who does she think she is? The weights cannot be doing this much, dog. High key. Leave the squatterness in the gym. High key.
Lobela njani uZiyanda?
Bengizozama nje balokhu ngangahlanganisa bengizozama nje ukuthi ngobe lokho yes bengizozama kakhulu ngoba ngiyambona ukuthi umuntu uyaphila.
Family yakho sithi
Uyaphila kakhulu. Ongenzela everything. So lento imane yenzeka nje kwenzeke imistake.
uphi imali yami ugqiba uyobheja ngayo emankazana.
Yikho ngimale
Unikeza ngayo emankazaneni.
Fakela
yikho ngimale
upetrol.
phambi kwakho nje ngathi
Jonga ke ngoku anisakuniki nix uzawuhamba nalo nto yakho.
How with the
mara
dude?
ngizohamba
Uzawuhamba nalo nto yakho.
Intoni into yakho?
Ungazihambisa.
Intoni into yakho?
Itotolozi le yakho. Okanye ufuna namhlanje ebusuku ndiyisike ke.
Ah, no dudes. Oh, what the?
Hayi.
ungayisiki
Oh, ndiyenzeni? Ndiyoje.
Sis mani Ziyanda.
Ewe.
ungitshele
Zokubonisa.
uphinde wenze lento usayenza.
Usafuna uhlala nama ndithi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jambani nobayithuke.
Stay with no dudes.
Hamba
dog,
ngetools
say.
kodkani. Ziyanda.
It's not safe, boy. He needs to walk in the distance.
Xolweni guys. Lams, please just watch them, no? Just why are you so close?
Ufuna ukucabuza. Mbo.
Ukubona yini?
Make me laugh. I don't know. I think I came too early. Came back to work too early. Yeah, guys. If I speak funny, I have a lisp. It will. Yeah, I should be able to speak normally by January.
She was speaking nice this whole time. Now she has a problem. Hey, guys, anyways, Rain a cut back with another video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. This is the unfortunate end of the video. My brother is not safe. Tomorrow he might wake up without a totolozi. Let's be honest. He is not safe. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Make sure you tune in as we will be looking into more couples cheating in the next video. Peace out.